You'll never have the sacred stone.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Crafting with Cos, I'm Cos, and welcome back to Crafting with Cos if you're back. So today's project, I'm going to keep it on trend with some of the seasonal home decor, and I'm going to be using a Dollar Tree mat that I got, and I'm going to be using it to add it from being a plain doormat into a Halloween inspired doormat. So I'm going to be using, like I said before, the Dollar Tree mat, as well as some previous materials that I got from the past that I didn't finish using up, as well as, or I didn't even get a chance to use them. So I'm going to be using some iron-on letters, as well as some orange vinyl fabric that I attempted to use in one of my coffee table DIYs, but for whatever reason I couldn't get it to work to incorporate it without it looking crazy. So I'm going to incorporate the orange vinyl fabric, some iron-on letters, as well as some other iron-on pieces that I basically cut into pumpkin faces that I'm going to adhere to the mat as well. So thanks again for watching, and we can go ahead and get right started with the materials that we use for this project. So the letters have to go textured side down to make sure that they're facing in the right direction. So here I'm cutting different shapes to mimic the pumpkin faces.